Hello. My name is Ni. Welcome to my channel. Today we will learn how to do caping nails or gel bath. We start by embossing the cuticle very gently. I prefer to use the orange sticks. In this part we will use the Dremel or drill with a cutter that allows us to detach the cuticle from the natural nail. At minimum speed we will introduce the drill into the cuticle area. We repeat this step on all the nails. This step is important to remove dead skin. We emboss again very gently to make way for the second drill. With this drill we must be very careful when introducing it, since it can cause a lot of damage to the client. Let's try to put it in very gently. Once the cuticle area is raised and the leathers exposed, we proceed to remove that excess dead skin with a cuticle cutter. We repeat this step on all the nails. This is very important, since if we do not do it, the finish of the nails, it would not be the same. We remove the excess powder and file to the client's taste. We place the file inside the nail to avoid wear, since if we do it on the outside, we can file too much. We use the sponge in the thickest part of the file to open adhesion channels. This helps the layer of gel or caping, which we are going to place, not to lift, adhering better to the natural nail. After passing the sponge, we remove the excess powder and put alcohol on it, this so that the nail dehydrates and can place the protein bond. We remove the alcohol with a brush to avoid lint or excess powder. We apply the protein bond on all the nails. Now we apply the base. This helps the gel to set better. If we do not do this step, when filing we can suffer from premature lifting. That is why it is important to place the base before the gel. We must clean the surroundings with the orange stick, so that there are no lifts. We will use the gel as is, as if we were enameling the nails, sealing the free edge very well. When applying the gel, you must direct the finger downwards, so that the product runs in this direction. If you place it forward, it would spread to the sides. We repeat this step on all fingers. Are you enjoying the video? Like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Taking care of the sides, we clean well with the orange stick. We apply 2 layers of gel. We are going to file the first one, the most important is the second one. With a gauze with alcohol, we will remove the inhibition layer. We proceed to file the excess product with a thick drill bit. This is how we will do it with all the nails, perfecting the free edge. Try to help yourself as much as possible with the Dremel, so that filing is easier, and you don't waste time with the file. We repeat this step with all the nails. Here I changed the drill bit since this nail was sculpted in gel, a technique that I will teach you in another video. After removing the dust, we will file on the inside, so as not to file too much, since if we file on the outside, we could wear down the sides. If you put a lot of gel on them, they will be thick. It is important to have a good filing technique so that these nails are very delicate. We pass the sponge over the thinnest part of the file to polish them, so when we polish, it looks like a clean job. Are you enjoying the video? Remember to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. At this point, the nails are ready to be polished. The client asked me for a white gradient with the transparent coat, so we will put a base coat on all the nails. Do you want to learn how to do the degrade in an easy and fast way? Watch out for the next video. Thank you for watching the video until the end and subscribing to my channel.